Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the hustle step by step. To begin, find your starting position with your feet together and a slight bend in your knees. It's crucial to feel the music's 4-count rhythm. This foundational understanding will guide all your movements. Focus on staying relaxed and letting the beat move you naturally. This initial setup is key for mastering the dance. Now, let's master the basic side-to-side movement. On count 1, step out to your right with your right foot. Then, on count 2, bring your left foot to meet your right. For count 3, step out to your left with your left foot. Finally, on count 4, bring your right foot to meet your left. Practice this 4-count sequence until it feels smooth and natural. Next, we'll incorporate the forward and backward motion. On count 1, step forward with your right foot. On count 2, bring your left foot to meet your right. Then, on count 3, step backward with your left foot. On count 4, bring your right foot to meet your left. This creates a dynamic push and pull, adding another dimension to your hustle. Keep your movements fluid. Finally, let's combine these elements and add your personal flair. Alternate between the side-to-side and forward and back steps, finding a rhythm that feels good. Incorporate subtle arm movements, perhaps a gentle sway or a finger snap, to express yourself. Focus on smooth transitions between each 4-count sequence. Remember, the hustle is about enjoying the music and letting your body move freely. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.